Alright, on this episode of Driveway, we're going to tackle this boot that I broke, and then we're going to make a push to get as much of this assembled and close to shoving into the car, and maybe even shoving it into the car. So stick around and see how far we get. Alright, so we can see the mess we have to deal with here. I got the new boot. And it comes with the boot and the little clips and some grease. And we'll just knife off the old one. Okay, normally you'd take the shaft out, but you should just be able to, since we got the whole cradle out. Much like that. Alright, now I just got a simple little circlip here. Find which side is up. Alright, got the circlip out. And this whole thing should come out. Add some soft persuasion. And then we get our whole bearing piece. Alright, this is where you run into some issues between OEM and aftermarket. You can see here's the OEM, and then the aftermarket. The little lobe nubs are slightly different sized. That's primarily to make it fit more models. But by looking at it and pushing it on there, it looks like it'll be close enough that the clamps will fix it. So that's that. Let's get this on there and start moving from there. Alright, I just greased up the end boot so it slides a little nicer. So then we got that slid on there. And we'll just work our bearing section back on. If I can find its teeth to line up. There's that. Get our little clip again. Alright, looks like that's clipped in. Now we dump on some grease. Work all that in there. And you pretty much dump the rest. Alright, that guy's all seated up on there now. Ouch. Now that we got all that on there, I think we can start putting all the accessories back on. So, I suppose let's get rolling on that. Well, I don't think we did too bad for today. So we're probably going to stop here, quit while we're ahead. We gotta put it in the car, but I kind of want to do that when I got a full day ahead of me, because that might be a pain in the butt. But in the meantime, I took the lower intake manifold off, and we're gonna clean up some of this port, get rid of some of that casting flash and so on, and maybe even get it to flow a little better. So anyways, thanks for stopping by and watching, and we'll catch you again later.